सेंसरी सीकिंग और सेंसरी सेंसिटिव। जब जब हमको इस बात का मूल्यांकन करना है तो हम कुछ इस तरीके से करेंगे। अ सेंसरी सीकिंग चाइल्ड विल लव टू move all around. He is so happy to be on the trampoline. He is so happy to seek various kinds of movement, run, jump, hop, skip, climb, and he will never at all feel tired throughout the day. A sensory seeking child loves to take various smells for the edible as well as for the non-edible items. A sensory seeking child will love to be tickled, hugged, compressed between pillows, a blanket, and the bed. A sensory seeking child will love what? To walk barefooted. He will seek opportunities to not to wear socks, not to wear shoes, not to wear sandals, walk on rough terrains and rough surfaces, and he will have a feeling of being a king. He'll be so happy there and then. A sensory seeking child will look for opportunities to watch moving objects, bright TV shows, lights, and also toys that have good amount of lights to it, good amount of movement to it. A sensory seeking child will chew upon almost everything, and he will try to have something or the other in his mouth. Also, he will be making various sounds. The louder the sound is, the better, the more regulated he will feel. On the contrary, a sensory sensitive child will hardly want to move. He will prefer a sedentary lifestyle. He will want to sit at a place and play. He will be a picky eater usually. He will not tolerate variety of textures. He will not acknowledge various natural smells around. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, मम्मा ने दाल में छौंका लगाया या परफ्यूम लगाया या धूप या अगरबत्ती जलाया तो बच्चे ने एक्नॉलेज ही नहीं किया. A sensory sensitive child will close his ears to loud sound. He will close his eyes to bright light. He will not like to be tickled. So, whenever you are in doubt, just check whether your child is seeking sensory or he is sensory sensitive. I'll be back again with a new and an informative video soon. Vasudev Kutumbakam.